So you want to delete a broadcast in AWeber, but you can't find the option, or maybe it's more complicated than expected. You're not alone. AWeber is a solid email marketing tool, but it has its quirks, especially when it comes to managing broadcasts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to delete broadcasts in AWeber, plus a better way to handle your email marketing without these extra frustrations. First, log into your AWeber account and head to the Messages tab. Click on Broadcast, and here's the first issue. AWeber doesn't actually let you delete a broadcast that has already been sent. Instead, you can archive it, which just hides it from view, but doesn't actually remove it. Next, if your broadcast is still a draft, you can delete it. Just find the draft broadcast, click on the three dots, and select Delete. But again, for sent broadcasts, you're stuck with archiving. This can get frustrating if you want a cleaner, more organized workspace. Now, what about scheduled broadcasts? If you've set one to go out but changed your mind, you can cancel it. Just go to Scheduled Broadcast, find the email, and click Cancel Sending. However, if it's already sent, you're back to square one, archiving instead of fully deleting. And here's the real kicker. Archiving doesn't remove the broadcast from your analytics. Even though it disappears from your main list, the data is still stored in AWeber. So if you're trying to clean up your account completely, there's no real way to remove it 100%. AWeber has a lot of great features, but this is a pretty big limitation, especially if you send a high volume of emails and want to keep things organized. If you want a better alternative that lets you manage broadcasts more efficiently and gives you more control over your email campaigns, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else.